Hello everyone. In this topic, we are going to discuss the distinct keywords. Distinct keyword is used in a select statement to remove the duplicate records from the result set. So whenever you want to remove the duplicate records from your table, then you use this distinct keyword with select statement. Let's study this with example. You have employees table, your IDs, you have names, then your department IDs, then you have salaries, right? And we'll see the syntax here. In syntax, you're writing select statement. In select statement, you first write select, and now you write a distinct keyword here. This is very important. You write distinct keyword, and after that, you mention your column name. For example, I'm mentioning here department ID, and after that, I'm saying from the table name. Now I will get a column because I'm just selecting only one column. I will get department IDs that are unique. It will remove the duplicates, right? Let's see the results. We'll see here we have 101, 102, and 103. If we go back here and we'll see we have this value, this is repeated, and this one, and this is repeated too. So we'll have three different values. Let's say if you want to have one or more column, you can add comma, and then you can write here your next column. If you write here names, then you will get the department ID and the name column, and then you will get the values there. So this is how you use your distinct keyword for extracting unique records from your table. If you have any questions, please let me know. That's all for this tutorial, guys. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.